This was the scene on the Kingston Dock as Christmas approached. We'll come back to it. But let's take a look at the beginning of December first. There's concrete testing underway, but where is it going? It soon becomes clear that a group is waiting to receive it behind the utility building. Meanwhile, on the south finger dock, work to install the bubbler system continues. Over on the north finger dock, preparations are clearly in hand for more concrete. Work to outfit the passenger terminal goes on. Next morning, the reason for the concrete preparation is apparent. A few days later, on a dull day, we can see railings on the south finger dock and the concrete curing in the north. Concrete is being added too to the area behind the utility building. Here's a better look at the railings on the south finger dock as work continues to install them. Freezing rain early in the day creates an interesting situation on the roof. Beside the approach to the ramp, it seems likely that preparations are being made to install a heated walkway. And mystery surrounds the work inside the switch building. And now we're back to the pre-Christmas period. Note how close the hydraulic building beside the ramp is to completion. On the south finger dock, the control cabinet for the bubbler system is now surrounded by railing. At least one set of fenders is in place, but there remains an interest in the rebar protruding from the dolphin. We'll move towards the conclusion of this update with a look at the old passenger terminal, all too soon to be gone. Behind it, in the area that will become a major switch building for the electrical supply, work continues, unseen. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas, and that 2025 will be a great year. Thanks for watching.